Havana, a Caribbean city with impressive architecture and vibrant culture, is the number one attraction for travelers to Cuba. Old squares and decrepit buildings sit alongside colonial palaces, impressive avenues, and idyllic white sand beaches. Explore the Old Town, the historic Habana Vieja, an architectural masterpiece and a magical place with over 500 years of history. Take a walking tour of the most important colonial squares, such as Plaza Vieja, full of excellent restaurants and coffee shops, or Plaza San Francisco. Plaza de la Catedral is home to the Havana Cathedral, a Baroque-style construction that is one of the oldest cathedrals in the Americas. But the ultimate Havana experience is riding in a classic 50s era car alongside the wonderful Malecón Promenade, which stretches for 8 kilometers along the coast. This popular Havana boardwalk has been the meeting place for lovers, philosophers, and poets for well over a century. Sometimes dubbed the world's longest sofa, it's where the whole city comes to meet, date, and debate. Overlooking the Malecón is the historic Nacional Hotel, known for its eclectic architecture and its incredible sea views. Not far from the hotel, you can find the Morro Castle, one of the most visited places by both tourists and locals. This fortress was built by slaves in the 17th century to protect the Havana harbor from foreign invasion and pirates. When visiting Havana, you will realize that the music, the energy, and the friendliness emanates from every Cuban. You may see this in its street performers, friendly cigar aficionados, and people playing dominoes in the street. Feel the timeless charm in the heat of Cuba, enjoy its beauty, and meet its spirited people. Visit Freetour.com to join a free walking tour in Havana with a local Cuban guide.